Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are doing a mock spread in my classic size 𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗜𝗨 horizontal layout happy planner. Not happy planner, it's a 𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗜𝗨 planner. I mentioned this in my vertical plan with me. I already decorated the spread in my actual weeks. That's why I have an extra undated spread here. So I'm going to copy exactly what I did. Sometimes it's just fun for me to sit down and decorate my planners off camera. And so that's what I did. I sat on the couch last night while my husband watched the Murdaugh trial. And just played in my planners like old times, and it was fun. I enjoyed it. So I'm going to recreate the spread for you guys. So let's just start. These are called Patchwork Spring. These stickers are available in my shop at 𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 that my shop is going to pivot in April. Changes will be coming in April. I'm not sure exactly what changes will be made, but I just need a pivot. And to spare you guys repeating everything that I talked about in the vertical layout, if you want to hear about the changes or kind of things that I'm thinking about, just go watch that video where I kind of just brain dump for you guys on camera. And I just discussed kind of my way of thinking of things that I need to change. So watch that video. But I love these stickers. They are so cute. I love the way it turned out. Like I said, sometimes it's just fun to just sit down and mindlessly play in my planners like the old days without the pressure of doing everything on camera. And I just really want to get back to that. I miss that. I miss quote playing in my planners. My hobby turned into a career, and it's just not fulfilling anymore. So I sat down and did this on the couch, and I wanted to recreate it for y'all. So that's what we're doing. Okay. And my Cricuts have a mind of their own. Sometimes they cut, it's the same setting. Sometimes they cut perfectly, and other times they cut too deep. And I get frustrated. Technology. I get frustrated with technology. Look how cute this is. These colors are so cute and so fun. All right, I'm going to use the little, I know that these stickers are, the perspective is way off because look how giant those butterflies are and how little this girl is, but we're not going to worry about that. We're just decorating for cuteness, not for scale perspective. We're doing it because it's cute. It's adorable. I love it. And then we have this giant flower that's going to go here because why not? All right, let's see. And then we put these over here. I love the way this turned out. It is so adorable. And then over here, it's actually so much easier for me to do to decorate off camera and then recreate, but that would be wasteful if I did that every week. Wasteful of the sticker paper. Then we took this little book, put up here. So cute. All right, we need the little birdie. And this. Come here. Yeah, see, I don't know why my machines do this. It's so frustrating. Take this cute little bird and put it right beside here. And then we're going to lay two, let's see, this one. I love how easy it is to decorate with my kits. That's one thing that I always found frustrating with like Happy Planner sticker books or other shops sticker books is it's just so frustrating to try to decorate with all the mixy stickers. Like there was never no rhyme or reason with their stickers. It was always just weird shapes and I don't know. One thing I don't miss. It's one thing I really love about having the kits that I have in my shop. It's just so easy. Everything just coordinates and flows smoothly together. Instead of going through, I remember back in the day when I was using Happy Planner, I would literally go through 4 or 5 sticker books, just gathering stickers from all different kinds of sticker books, trying to coordinate and match and find things that I wanted to use. It took longer to find stickers than it did to decorate the spread. And that is just crazy work. If you use my kits, everything's just simple. It's just everything's right here for you. Everything is color coordinated. It just works. And then look how cute these stamps are. I love these stamps. These are my favorites. We'll probably never grow tired of these cute stamps. Look how cute. All right, and then I'm going to use some of this scallop washi. Oh, and then about the Happy Planner stickers. So then, you know, use 4 or 5 sticker books to try to decide or try to find stickers to decorate a spread with. And then you spend $20 on a sticker book and you only use a quarter of the stickers that are in it. And then there's nothing left to use. It's just, I just don't like that life. All right, so let's see. What else did we do here? We're going to take this piece of yellow and come over here. I love the scallop washi. It's so dainty and cute. And then we're going to take a little bit of it and put, which one did I put it in? This one. Let's go this way. Oh, let's pick up this and we'll just kind of lay it under there. So we'll start in the corner up here, go down, and then cut it, and then my little flower will cover up the edge there. Look how cute. I think that's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. And then I want to take a little bit of the pink scallop. Really need to level out this desk. I never think about leveling it till I'm filming a video and everything's rolling away. And we're going to lift the corner of this up just a little bit. So cute. Then we're going to take a little bit of pink and go over here. And a little bit on this yellow box. Look how cute this is, y'all. These colors are so fun and so perfect for spring. And I still have stickers left. Like, you could literally do a monthly with, because these will fit in your monthly and not take up a lot of room in the boxes. So many stickers left over. I only used one sticker. I wasted that whole sheet. But like I said, I could do a monthly. So, all right. So gracefully.broken.com, you can find these stickers. That is it for this video. Stay tuned, like I said, for upcoming changes to the shop and the channel and the planners and all the fun things, whatever I decide. So yeah, that's it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.